Hello and welcome to Real GPL. First of all, thank you very much for joining our membership plans and buying our products. So guys, in this tutorial I am going to talk about WordPress debugging. If you have ever faced a problem like this, there has been a critical error on this website. So in that case you have to debug your site. But do you know the process of debugging? So let's talk about that. Whenever you face any issue like this, first of all you have to go to your cPanel or your file manager and go to the root folder. Then find a file called wp-config.php and then click on edit this file. Okay, once you edit this, you will find a line in the bottom that contains define wp and then value in terms of true or false. So right now it's false, so I am going to make it true. So once I make it true, the error should start popping up on the screen. So I made it true. Now I'm going to website. I'm clicking on refresh button. So you can see like there is a parsing error, and that is for one-click demo importer plugin. On this file, one-click demo import PHP line number 57. Other two is notice which can be ignored. So let's go to this line number on this file. So WP content, then plugin. So I'm going to my file manager. I will go to WP content. I will go to plugins, then one-click demo import, and then the file name is one-click demo import.php, which is this file. I'm going to edit it, and then we have to go to line number 57. Okay, so I'm going to line number 57. So we are at line number 57. Here if you know coding, then you can do something, otherwise just leave it. Just delete the plugin, just delete this folder, wp, not wp, one click demo import folder. The error will be fixed, but we are not going to do that. We have to fix that error. So in that case, if you see here we are having 4 closings. Okay, so let me see from here. This is the class, so class is closing. Okay, that's the error. Class should be closed in the bottom, not in the starting itself. Okay, so this is getting closed from okay here. Then this if loop is here only, this else if is here only. Okay, so this is the extra curly braces, so I'm going to remove it. Yeah, if I have removed it, the error has gone. So I'm clicking on save changes, and then I'm going to website and I'm refreshing it just to see if this parse error has gone. Yes, the parse error has gone. So this was the first way to fix it. If you don't know coding, do one thing. Let's suppose I am putting that here again, or I am putting any extra like line here, and I'm clicking on save. If I go to website, we'll see a error again. Okay, so in that case, what we have to do, just go to file manager, then WP content, then plugins, and delete that plugin which you have installed or for which the error is coming. So I'm going to delete it. Okay, and then if I refresh it, the error should be gone. So there are two ways: either just delete the plugin or theme for which you are getting the error, or you need to fix it. So by doing both ways, you can fix the any such error which is coming on your website. It can be due to WordPress files also. Sometimes if your WordPress files were modified due to any reason, in that case also you can get this error. So in those cases, you have to install your WordPress manually again through file manager. For that, you can find many tutorials on YouTube and many articles on the net. So thank you very much for being here with me. If you have not joined any membership plan, you should join that, because by joining that you will save a tons of money. And I will suggest you to join either platinum plan or lifetime plan, because you will get access to our all themes and plugins, and that too in no cost. And if you have any error, or if you want our support to fix your errors, then go to your account and create a support ticket. Thank you very much. Bye bye.